Hello, my favorite kids. How are you? Are you all fine? Good? Okay. Welcome to Friday's AVS online classes. Today is 2nd October. Do you know which day is today? And what is so special about 2nd October? Yes, today is Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Today is Gandhi Jayanti, right? Today our father of nation was born and we celebrate his birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. So everyone, I want to wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. And as you all know, yesterday we had completed all our textbook, chapter number 11, keeping safe and healthy. We have completed the chapter, the worksheet, the notebook, pretty much everything, right? So from today onwards, we are going to start a new chapter. We have completed chapter number 9, that is food for health. Chapter number 11, keeping safe and healthy. Everything is completed, new words and all. Activities also. I don't know if you have understood it in the last video of mine. I have given you one activity that you have to do in a scrapbook. That is, you have to cut and paste. Like from colorful pages, you have to make a traffic signal. You can make 3 circles. That is, one color should be of red, second color should be of yellow, and the third color should be of green. And you have to paste it on a rectangle shaped paper, and you have to stick it in your scrapbook. And for the pole, jo niche jo pole hota na, you can use the ice cream stick. Okay, I don't know if you understood it. See, let me show you. Okay, wait a minute. See, if you can see in this, you can stick a rectangle shaped paper, and then you can put 3 circles of different colors, and for this pole you can stick a ice cream stick jo aap khate hain na, wo wala you can stick. So today we are going to start a new and a different innovative chapter. The chapter number is 12, this one. This chapter number 12, the name of the chapter is air. So can anyone tell me what is the meaning of air, or what do you know about air? Chalo, can anyone tell me? Yes, air is हवा. हवा जो होती है ना, if you are sitting under a fan, क्या fan के नीचे बैठे हो? Can you see the air, the wind जो आपका हवा लग रही है, that is called air. Air means हवा. Now, where can you find air? You can find around you, or it is you are surrounded by air. You cannot see air. आप air को you cannot see, you cannot touch. मतलब आप feel कर, you can just feel. You can feel जब when you switch on a fan, you feel like it's so cool, I'm finally relaxed. ऐसा feel होता है ना आपको, कितनी अच्छी हवा आ रही है. When you switch on the AC, you feel a blow of air. Blow of air means पूरा एक साथ air आता है आपको. So you feel that, right? So that is called air. Air means हवा. So what are the uses of air? Air कहाँ कहाँ पे use होता है? Like when you want to fill something. Fill something means कोई खाली जगह को भरने के लिए air काम आते हैं. Then the most important part of our life. What is the most important part of our life? The most important part is breathing. सांस लेना. It is called breathing. You need air to breathe. Means श्वास लेने के लिए. Then what else do you need air for? You need air to to keep a fire burning. जब आग जलाते हैं, right? See, when we'll start the chapter, I'll show you with all the examples. I'll show you with all the props, with all the objects, and I'll tell you how air is so important for us. Okay? Then let me show you a short example. Can you tell me what is this? What is this? This is a balloon. Yeah, it is a balloon. Now it is empty inside. देखो अंदर कुछ नहीं है, खाली है, right? It's empty. Now what will I do? I'll fill air inside it. मैं इसके अंदर हवा भरूंगी. See, I'll show you. See, the balloon was so small. See this one. It was first like this. तब ऐसा था in the first part, right? Now it became this. So what is inside it? What have I put? from my mouth inside the balloon, मैंने इसमें क्या डाला है? I put air inside the balloon. That means air has, it takes shape. आप कोई भी चीज में डालो, if it is in a balloon or in a box, see, you can see it everywhere. Whatever thing, if you take a glass, it is empty, right? When you put water, it goes inside. But when you don't put anything inside it, it is just empty. So air is present everywhere. Now let me show you what happens when I take my hand off the knob. Means ऊपर से अगर मैं हाथ ले लूँ, then balloon becomes empty, तो खाली हो जाता है. So air is very important part of our life. It is very helpful, and we'll learn about what can air do, what does it look like, what does it smell like. So we are going to learn this in today's chapter. This was a short introduction. ये छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन है. हम किसके बारे में सीखने वाले हैं? We are going to learn about air. AIR, air के बारे में हम सीखेंगे. ठीक है? So do you want us to start? Everyone, take out your textbook, a pencil along with you, because we are going to mark new words and we are going to write it down today in notebook also. So what I want you to do is, now pay attention, listen properly. It is a short chapter, but it is going to be very fun. Okay? Now chalo, let's start. See, before starting the chapter, I want you to ask that, I want me to ask you guys that, do you have any doubts regarding chapter number 9, food for health, or chapter number 11, keeping safe and healthy? It may be regarding to activities in scrapbook or worksheet or notebook or textbook, or regarding new words, their meanings, how to pronounce them, or exercises. Please let me know. And I also want to request all the parents, those who do not attend live sessions, जो live sessions में नहीं आते, please come, because see, you may think that it is फालतू का time, it is of no use, we'll do it from the video, हमारे बच्चे कर पा रहे. It is not about that. It is that we are not wasting time here. What we want to do is, if your child has any doubt, or if I may so, if you have any doubt, you can come there, ask. You can just be there for 1 hour. It is not a big deal, and the timings are also from 2 to between 5. So just because you didn't want it in the morning, हम दोपहर को कर रहे हैं. So please come if you have any doubt, and please ask me. You can call me between 4 to 6, and you can clear the doubts, or if you have any kind of questions, you can ask me regarding activities. And I hope that you have all completed your chapter number 11. किसी का भी बाकी रह गया? I know last week was very hectic. You had too much of writing. बहुत सारा लिखने का था in worksheet. But I hope that everyone has completed and it was not a big burden. So shall we start the chapter? Shall we start the reading of it? Today we'll try to do 1 or 2 pages, and I'll explain it to you, and then we'll move forward. And we'll also underline new words, and I'll send you the photographs of 10 or 15 words that we are going to write today. Okay, chalo, let's go. Okay, so everyone please take out page number 111. That is chapter number 12, air. Air का मतलब क्या है? Air means हवा. Okay, चलो let us start कि हवा के बारे में what we can learn. See, and a small image is given here, and it's a passage, a small passage we have to read कि ये क्या बता रहे हैं. चलो, Nakul is cycling in the park with his sister. Who is Nakul? See, this boy. The boy's name is Nakul. And what is he doing? He is cycling. See, he is on a bicycle. He is cycling in the park. Can you see the park? Greenery, yes. A bench. See, shrubs, grass everywhere. And who is behind him? A girl. And who is she? She is his sister. So they both are cycling in the park. Then what did Nakul say? Oh no, something is wrong with my bicycle. What does it mean? Means वो क्या बोल रहा है? Something is not right. Can you see this? See, his tire. See, air is coming out of it. ये तो टायर उसका फ्लैट हो गया, फट गया है. So he is scared. वो डर गया. What does his sister say to him? Don't worry. Your cycle just has a flat tire. What is she saying? डरो मत. It is just a small puncture. It needs to be filled with air again. That means, do you have cycle? You must have experienced it, right? आपके साथ भी हुआ होगा, साइकिल चलाते चलाते आपका पंचर हो जाता है, तो क्या बोलते हैं, हवा भराने जा रहे, राइट? सो एयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. टायर होता है, उसमें क्या होता है, एयर. नाउ अ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर. कैन यू नेम 2 other things that are filled with air? कैन यू नेम 2 other things? ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जिसमें हवा आती है? Can you tell 2 names? One example I've already shown you today. What is it? A balloon. So what is the spelling of a balloon? See, 2 blanks are given here. There are 2 blanks. We have to write 2 names of the things that is filled with air. जिसके अंदर हवा आती है. कौन सी चीज़ है? Balloon. So let me write BALLOON. Everyone write along with me. BALLON, balloon. And what else? A ball, right? BALL. You might have football, basketball, volleyball. So what is inside it? हवा होता है, right? जब वो फट जाता है तो हवा निकल जाता है. Then you cannot play with a ball. So what does it mean? Air is all around us. Let us learn more about it. Before that, we are going to underline the word cycling. CYCLING. It is a doing word है. Doing word means जो हम करते हैं, right? So cycling. Then park. PARK is a short, is a same as a garden, but in a park you can play. Then what does she say here? Air. AIR. Please underline these 3 words: cycling, park, air, and here around us. Please underline these 4 words. Which are they? Cycling, park, air, and around us. These 4 words. Okay. Did you learn from this? Nakul was cycling. वो साइकिल पे बैठा था, right? So somehow he felt that something is wrong. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. तो उसने अपने सिस्टर को क्या पूछा? सिस्टर, दीदी, something is wrong here. Then what did she say? Don't worry, Nakul. You just have a flat tire. Flat means ऐसा सीधा. See, टायर कैसा होता है? ऐसा गोल होता है, right? It is like this, a circle. But when there is a puncture, means कुछ कांटा लगने से किसी चीज से हो जाए तो वो कैसा हो जाएगा? पूरा ऐसा छोटा सा हवा निकल जाएगा, right? So she says, don't worry, it's just a flat tire. So what does it say to us? What does it mean? That air is around us. Around us means हमारे आजू बाजू, हर जगह. You cannot see, but you can feel it. हमें पता है कि air है. चलो, now turn the page and we'll do 112. Air is around us. Around मतलब हमारे आजू बाजू. Air is all around us means हमारे पूरे तरफ है. We can feel air when it moves, but we cannot see air. Please underline the word feel. We can feel air when it moves. Underline moves. But we cannot see air. Means हवा जब चलती है तब हम उसको फील कर सकते हैं, महसूस कर सकते हैं. But we cannot see air. हम देख नहीं सकते. We can feel air. Please underline this word also. Cannot see. Cannot see means नहीं देख सकते हैं. We can feel air when we use a hand fan to fan ourselves. We can also feel air when we switch on a ceiling fan. What does it mean? So what does it mean? Air is around us. Air is around us का हमने क्या सीखा? That we cannot see air. हम देख नहीं सकते, but we can feel air. Means हम महसूस करते हैं when the air moves. Now, an example was given here that when we use a hand fan. Now, what is a hand fan? See this. I have made a hand fan from a scratch. मैंने पेपर से बनाया. What does it mean? That when you use a hand fan, you can feel the air. See, can you see my hairs are moving? See, my hair is moving. So what does that mean? कि हवा है. मैं ऐसे ऐसे कर रही हूँ. When I'm moving the hand fan, I can feel air around me. I can feel the air, but I cannot see it. Then the next example was given of a ceiling fan. Now what is a ceiling fan? Let me show you. See, this is a ceiling fan. ये आपके घर में भी ना, आप अभी बैठे होंगे उसके ऊपर दिख रहा है. See, when it is in a off mode, जब ये switch off होता है तब you feel nothing. you feel hot, but when you switch on the fan, आप जब फैन चालू करते हो तो you feel a blow of air. आप कैसे हवा आती है? So that means you can feel the air but you cannot see. Now come again to page number 112 and second part of the chapter, properties of air. Now what does properties means? Properties means गुण. तो एयर के कौन से गुण हैं? We are going to learn today. See. But before that, please underline these 3 new words. They are hand fan. Hand fan मैंने अभी दिखाया था ना. See this one. This is a hand fan. Then switch on. SWITCH. Switch on means चालू करना. And a ceiling fan. Ceiling means छत और fan means पंखा. So ceiling fan. Now properties of air के क्या क्या गुण है? Air has the following properties. Please underline the word properties. PROPERTIES. Properties means गुण. These are very important. You have to remember them. Okay, चलो number 1. Air has no color. Air has no color means हवा का कोई भी रंग नहीं है. No taste means कोई स्वाद नहीं है. And no smell means कोई इसका smell नहीं है. तो कौन सी चीज है? So what does that mean, my dear kids? That air has no color. Color means वो दिख ही नहीं सकता है क्योंकि उसका कोई रंग ही नहीं है, right? If it was of blue color, red color, then we would have seen it. But air has no color, air has no taste, and then air has no smell. You see with your eyes, right? You taste with your tongue and then you breathe or smell with your nose. So air does not have color, taste and smell. Now let us go to another second property. See, air fills up space and gives shapes to things. Now what does that mean? Underline the word fills up. Fills up का मतलब भरना. So like what I had shown you before, that I had a balloon in my hand, right? It was just a small balloon like this. But when I blew into the air, see, can you see this? It can give shapes to things means अगर आप किसी चीज में हवा भरो तो वो एक नया आकार देता है, एक नया shape. First it was small, but then when you blow air into this, it takes a shape, a round shape. So air fills up space and gives shapes to things. Air fills up empty spaces. Now please underline the word empty spaces. Empty means खाली, spaces means जगह, खाली जगह. Air fills up empty spaces, even very small spaces means ऐसे छोटे चीजें होते हैं ना, वहाँ पे भी air घुस जाता है. For example, if you take out all the toys from your toy box, please underline the word take out. Take out means निकालना. So what are they saying? Example के लिए कि अगर आप जहाँ पे अपने खिलौने रखते हो, if you take out all the toy box, it will still be filled with air. Please underline the word still. STILL. So what does that mean? What is it saying to us? ये हमें क्या बता रहे हैं? That when you take out things from, see, let me show you. This is a box, okay? See, it is filled with loads of things. Now when I take this out, see, when I take this out, these all things, when I take out everything from the box, see, it is empty. Can you see? Is there anything? Nothing is there. But if I tell you that one thing is still there, and what is it? It is air. आप चाहे कहीं से भी कोई भी चीज़ों में से you can take out anything, but air will be there. हमेशा हवा इसके अंदर होगी. You cannot see, you cannot taste, you cannot smell. You can just feel. You can just feel it when the air is moving. आप ऐसे feel नहीं करोगे. See, if you do like this, you cannot feel anything. But when you do like this, see, when you wave your hand at your face, you can feel air, right? तो ये बॉक्स में से अगर आप कुछ भी निकाल दोगे तो भी इसके अंदर एयर होता है. दैट मीन्स एयर कैन टेक स्मॉल प्लेसेस, मीन्स छोटे प्लेसेस होते हैं ना, उसमें भी घुस जाता है. सब जगह पे हवा है. ओके Now this paragraph. When we blow air into a balloon, blow air, please underline the word blow air. Blow air means जब हवा भरना, जब आप balloon में हवा भरते हो, we are, please underline balloon also. See what this boy, he has a balloon in his hand. When we blow air into a balloon, we are filling the space inside the balloon with more air. What does it mean? कि balloon के अंदर already हवा तो होती है. See if you can see. इसके अंदर ऑलरेडी हवा है पर इतने ज़्यादा नहीं है. इसके अंदर एयर इज ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट, बट व्हेन यू ब्लो एयर, ये देखो लड़की के जैसा ये बलून इधर मैंने रखा है, बट इसके जैसे आप अंदर फूकोगे, सो व्हाट विल हैपन? सी नाउ एयर इज इनसाइड इट. सो सी this also has air inside it, and now we have blown air inside this balloon, the another balloon, so it has air inside it. So what does it mean? That air fills up space means वो जगह भरता है. air नया उसका शेप दे दिया. पहले कैसा दिखता था? balloon used to look like this. See, it used to look like this, but when you put air inside it, it looks like this. That means you can make a new shape out of it. So we have learnt about two properties. Number one, air has no color, no taste and no smell. Please remember these properties. These are very important. Number two is air fills up space and gives shapes to things. Chalo. When we blow air into a balloon, we are filling the space inside the balloon with more air. This makes the balloon change its shape. Other examples of such things are footballs, tires and swimming tubes. मतलब, see, a football is given in the right hand side of the textbook, on the right next to the left page on 113 में you can see a football. तो मतलब अगर हवा निकल दो बलून में से या बॉल के अंदर से, तो वो कैसा होगा? छोटा सा हो जाएगा. बट व्हेन यू फिल एयर इनसाइड इट, इट विल grow and it will come into a new shape. Okay, now the third property, it is number 3. Air has weight. What does that mean? That air has weight. Before that, please underline the words shape. SHAPE, shape means आकार. Then another one you have to underline is tires. TYRES. अंडरलाइन शेप एंड टायर्स. टायर तो पता है ना, गाड़ी के नीचे जो टायर होता है. नंबर 3, एयर एज वेट. प्लीज अंडरलाइन द वर्ड वेट. WEIGHT. वेट मीन्स कितना भारी होता है, उसका वजन. वेट मीन्स वजन. तब आप बोलोगे कि मैम एयर का वजन कैसे हो सकता है? लेट मी टेल यू. सी, वेट इज द हैवीनेस ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. वेट वजन क्या होता है कि एक कोई चीज कितनी भारी होती है. राइट, प्लीज अंडरलाइन द वर्ड हैवीनेस. हैवीनेस मीन्स उसका वजन कितना भारी है. हेवियर थिंग्स हैव मोर वेट देन लाइटर थिंग्स. प्लीज अंडरलाइन द वर्ड मोर. MORE, मोर. सो हेवियर थिंग्स हैव मोर वेट देन लाइटर थिंग्स. लेट मी टेल यू हाउ. I'll give you 2 examples. One would be of a heavy object and another one would be of a lighter object. So what is it trying to say? Can you see this? This is the dumbbell जो एक्सरसाइज करते हैं ना ऐसे. So it is very heavy means बहुत भारी है. I have to pull it with my 2 hands. I have to hold it with my 2 hands. But what is this? Again, this is the balloon. So it is these are the easiest examples that I can give you right now. See, both are heavy. But which one will be heavy? ज़्यादा heavy कौन सा होगा? ये वाला, because it is so much in weight. But this is heavy. बट नॉट फॉर अस, इट इज लाइट. ये हमारे ऊपर कोई मारेगा या कुछ करेगा तो हमें कुछ नहीं होगा. बट इफ समवन थ्रोज दिस एट यू, इट विल हर्ट यू. राइट, तो ये क्या बता रहे हैं हम कि एयर हैज वेट. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी वॉज एयर डज नॉट हैज एनी कलर. कलर नहीं है उसके पास. एयर डज नॉट हैव एनी टेस्ट. एंड द थर्ड वन, एयर डज नॉट हैव एनी स्मेल. Now number 2. What is the number 2 second property of air? Air fills up space means air जगह ले लेता है and it gives shape, a new shape. It gives shape to things means कोई खाली जो ऐसे ही मैंने दिखाया था, ये खाली जब खाली बलून था like this, it took, when I blew air inside it, उसको नया जगह मिला. So these are the 3 main properties. Please learn, make videos on it. Everything is fine, okay? And the number 3rd is air has weight. Air को वजन होता है. वो हम देख नहीं सकते, स्मेल नहीं कर सकते, टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते, बट उसको फील कर सकते हैं जब किसी चीज में डालो तब, या तो फिर कोई पंखा या हवा चल रही होगी तब. Okay, now let's see what else it is written in the page number 112. Now what is written here? Get it right. When a perfume is sprayed, the smell that you get is that of the perfume and not air. Means जब आपके पास परफ्यूम होता है, राइट, आप लोग स्प्रे वगैरह लगाते होंगे, डियो, तब उसमें जो स्मेल आती है ना, वो परफ्यूम की स्मेल होती है, वो हवा की स्मेल नहीं होती. Fact store. We cannot hear sounds without air. Now what does that mean? Do it with me. Take these 2 fingers and put it inside your ear for just few seconds. See, सब ऐसा मेरे साथ डालो. Now try to speak something. Now take it out. See, अब try करना कि इस कान में उंगली रखे. Please pause this video. Put your 2 hands inside your ear and try to speak. You will feel a small, a very slow and a mild voice. Means बहुत कम आवाज आ रही होगी. But when you put it inside, you cannot hear what the other person is saying. Means किसी और को आप सुन नहीं सकते. तो इसका मतलब क्या बता रहे हैं कि आवाज सुनने के लिए भी एयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो क्या है? टू हियर अ साउंड, एयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. चलो, नाउ दिस वन. इफ यू एंड योर फादर सैट ऑन अ सीसॉ, योर फादर्स साइड विल गो अप because your father's weight is more than yours. Now what does that mean? What is a seesaw? Seesaw, see like this. पता है ऐसा जो पार्क में होता है, एक ये ऊपर जाता है, इधर कोई बैठा होगा तो ये वाला नीचे आएगा, फिर ये वाला जब ऊपर जाएगा तो ये वाला नीचे आएगा, ऐसा. तो what does that mean? That when you and your father, means आप और आपके पापा अगर कभी पार्क में जाओ and if you sit on these things, your father's weight is more, means आपके फादर का वजन ज्यादा है, so he will go down but you will go up. This shows that your father is heavier than you. What does that mean? This shows कि आपके पापा का वजन बहुत ज्यादा है आपसे, इसलिए आप ऊपर जाते हो, और जिसका ज्यादा वजन होता है वो नीचे आता है. Now questions. See, I look at the pictures. There are 3 pictures given here. Air has been blown into balloon. सबके देखो ये 1, 2 and 3. There are 2 balloons in every picture, and in one balloon air is blown inside it. Air is blown into balloon A. ये balloon A है, देखो सी balloon A, but not into balloon B. सिर्फ A में ही भरा है, not inside balloon B. What will happen if both the balloons are tied to the 2 sides of a pole? Circle the correct picture. See, now what does that mean? What will happen if both the balloons are tied to the 2 sides of a pole? So what we have to do is, means ये क्या बोल रहे हैं? See, पोल मीन्स ऐसी सीधी लाइन, और बीच में ये ऐसा है, हुक है, एंड हियर इट इज बलून ए एंड हियर इट इज बलून बी. सो व्हाट आर दे सेइंग कि अगर उसको पोल के साथ इफ वी टाई इट डाउन, विच बलून विल गो डाउन एंड विच विल गो अप? कौन सा बलून है जो ऊपर जाएगा, जो नीचे जाएगा? द बलून विच हैज मोर एयर. तो इन दोनों में से किस में ज्यादा है, ए में या बी में? सो द ए बलून, इसमें क्या है? ए इज कमिंग डाउन, बी इज गोइंग अप. दिस बोथ आर एट द सेम प्लेस, सेम पोजिशन, एंड हियर the shorter one, the one that has less air inside it, is going down, and the balloon which has more air is going up. So which is the correct picture? What will happen? This, please circle this, because this balloon has more air inside it and this balloon does not. So ये जिसमें ज्यादा air मीन ज्यादा वजन हो जाएगा तो वो नीचे आएगा, जिसका कम वजन है वो ऊपर जाएगा. And the last, ट्रू और फॉल्स, वी आर गोइंग टू डू दिस, वी आर गोइंग टू डू टुमारो. कल तो चैप्टर खत्म भी हो जाएगा. इट्स अ शॉर्ट, नॉट टुमारो, ऑन नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे. टिल देन यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दीज ऑल प्रॉपर्टीज. चलो लेट्स गो. प्लीज टेक आउट पेज नंबर 113. लेट्स डू. राइट ट्रू फॉर द ट्रू स्टेटमेंट एंड फॉल्स फॉर द फॉल्स वन. नंबर 1, वी कैन फील एयर व्हेन इट मूव्स. मतलब जब हवा चलती है तब हम उसको फील कर सकते हैं. कर सकते हैं. So is it true? Yes, it is true. So please write TRUE, true. Number 2, air is blue in color. Means air का color तो blue होता है. No, because we have already learnt we cannot see air. Air does not have any color. So false. Number 3, an empty box does not have any air inside it. Means कोई खाली box होता है उसके अंदर कोई भी हवा नहीं होता. It is false. Air is everywhere, in also into a small places. हर जगह पे air है. Number 4, air has weight. Means air को वजन है. So it is also true. True, false, false, true. So done. Okay. What have we learned from today's information? That air is around us. Means हमारे आजू बाजू है. Then the 3 properties we have learned. What are they? गुण. Properties means गुण about air. The number 1 has 3 properties. Individual means mixed up. 3 है पर first वाले में 3 mix है. What are they? Which is the first property? Air has no color, air has no taste, and air has no smell. This is the first property. Now second property. What is it? Air fills up space. It gives shape to new things. Means एयर क्या करता है? जगह लेता है. कोई भी चीज के अंदर डालो तो वो एक नया आकार बना देता है. एंड नंबर 3 एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, एयर हैज वेट. सी, एयर हैज वेट. इफ यू टाई दिस, वो आप घर पे ट्राई करना है. ऐसे कुछ स्केल या ऐसे कुछ लेना और दोनों को एक एक पोल पे बांध देने. किधर है किधर, लाइक ऐसे. प्लीज डू इट, इट विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. टाई इट डाउन और फिर बीच में से पकड़ना, या तो कहीं टिंगा देना. सी, दिस वन विल गो down. Why? Because it has more space. Okay, and it has more weight. Not space, it has more weight. And this has air inside it, but in a small quantity, कम quantity में. So we have completed the first page of it. We have completed the air around us, properties of air. We have done short 2 exercises on page number 112 and true or false on page number 113. Tomorrow what we are going to do will be uses of air. This page, ये तो आज हमने कर लिया. This page we will do and we'll understand it, and then we'll try to do exercises. I'll send you the 10 to 15 new words that you have to write today. I've already sent you. You have to write these in your fair notebook. Okay, so I'll meet you next Wednesday. Take care. Bye.